Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your clip and confirming core settings. Make sure your source is high frame rate or motion blurred footage. This reduces Twixtor artifacts. Once done, set the project frame rate to the final output, 24 or 30 FPS, so Twixtor maps frames correctly. Trim to the exact action so interpolation has stable edges. Enable any optical flow preprocessing in your host if available. This gives Twixtor Cleaner reference frames and speeds up the next steps. You now apply Twixtor and pick the source frame rate matching your footage. Then identify the main moving subject and draw a mask to guide Twixtor's tracking. This prevents background warping. Once masked, set the speed percentage or remap time with keyframes to create ramps. Slow sections need lower speeds and smoother keyframe easing. Make sure motion sensitivity or motion vectors are tuned so Twixtor respects edges. If things look ghosted, reduce the strength or refine your masks for clearer interpolation. You finish by rendering a short, full-resolution test to check for artifacts and edge warping. If you see ghosts or geometry stretching, apply slight motion blur to mask minor errors or refine roto masks around problem areas. Manual correction often beats automatic fixes. When severe warping persists, toggle Twixtor's motion settings or switch to your host's optical flow algorithm for comparison. Finally, once satisfied, render the full sequence. And remember to save a copy of your original project before heavy export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.